Hi, I'm Michael, creator of LiveJudge. In this tutorial, we'll go over the basics of the admin area so that you know where all the controls are. This will be a pretty brief video, but it will give you some good context when navigating the software. We start on the landing page, which is the event list. This is important because everything begins with an event. Now, there are some controls like the competition library, which includes the class library and the element library, the judge pool, and my organizations, and those controls are universal no matter what event you are choosing to edit. If you do choose to edit an event like I have here with HeliStorm 2025, you will see that the event name appears here and then the respective menu items that can address setting up that event will follow below. If I choose another event, you'll see that the name of the event here has changed. When you click into an event, you'll get the event details in the center and you'll get the controls and input fields for that event on the right. You can always hide these. I don't see any reason to hide them because if you're here, it means you want to make changes to your event. In the lower left of your main admin screen, you'll see a select menu that allows you to change organizations. If you go to the My Organizations page, you'll be able to see any organization that you've created, make modifications, but in order to switch organizations, you have to use the menu. You can, of course, add an organization at any time. One note, when you do add an organization, and let's look at HeliStorm, you can enter a slug. A slug is the trailing word on a URL that allows you to customize that URL so that users accessing LiveJudge from a link that you send them will go directly to your organization's events and they won't have to search through all events in the system. So the slug in this case would end up being app.livejudge.com/HeliStorm. That's it for the administration section tutorial because it's really simple to get around and these are all the screens that you have to navigate. Other tutorials will cover details, round setup, contestants, scoring admin, voting, and classes. Thanks for listening.